Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to unpair your headphones JBL Tune 570 from your Android phone. You have to start by open settings and then go to connected devices. Now click the settings icon near to your headphones. And right here at the left side we have a button forget with this trash icon and you need to tap on it. But before I tap on it, I want to tell you that maybe you need to only stop Bluetooth connection with your headphones, but do not totally remove it from your phone. So then select to disconnect and just tap on it. But let's remove it totally, so forget and forget. Now we removed it from the phone and now we can turn off these headphones by press and hold power button at the bottom of the right ear cup. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!